Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and if you don't know me, welcome to my channel. I do unboxings and reviews and extra stuff. So if you like that, then hit that subscribe button or like this video at the end if you like it. Anyways, let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month plus tax, so basically $27, just like BoxyCharm. But they have over $120 worth of value of products, 5 full-size items, just like BoxyCharm, but BoxyCharm is 125, over 125. Anyways, but like both of them, they both let you choose a product, which I will tell you what I chose. By the way, this is the May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you did not know, this is an unboxing and try on. If you didn't read the title, I mean, you did read the title because you opened up, you pressed that play button. Anyways, this is Get That Glow. That's the theme of this month. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Next month, I won't have my Ipsy Glam Bag or my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because the bags are just horrible. And the choice items, like for Ipsy, I wanted the over highlighters. But when I went on the line at 9:15, they were not there on my choice, but they was there on some other people's choice. So I just didn't get the bag. It's just that. I'm gonna start off with my add-on. I got the Skin Iceland Pure Cloud Cream. It retails for $55, but I got it for like 12 or 18. Their add-ons are on the 2nd of every single month, and it retails from $3 to $18. This is very heavy weighted, and it's a cream. Yes, I do have oily combination skin, but I have all my summer hydration formulas. I have all my summer and spring. Okay, the window's open. You caught me. But I have all my moisturizers, so this is for the winter. So stocking up on moisturizers, and I don't have to pay the full price. So I'm happy about that. So let's get in my bag, box. This is the Beauty For Real High Defining Volumizing Mascara. That is such a tongue twister. This retails for $19. It has a small little bristle, what I will show you in the try on. Then we have the Wonder Beauty Clear Brow Gel that retails for $22. This is what the wand looks like, and I don't have brow gel on. I just put the pomade, and it is really clear, and it's actually clinging onto my hairs nicely. It did remove some of the product, but it feels really nice. The next item is the Good Genes Lactic Acid from Sunday Riley. This retails for $85. This is what the packaging looks like. This is actually the product that I picked. It was between this and the Tarteist mascara. I was going back and forth for it, but I'm glad I got the Beauty For Real because it's for itty bitty lashes, and you can see I have itty bitty lashes. The next thing is the MOTD brush set. I brush set. This retails for $34, and I will be selling this in my Mercari with the Glam Bag. You get a smudger, a crease, another crease, a bullet brush, and a eyeshadow brush. Now the last product is Color Rain eyeshadow palette, Mimosa Moment. This is the neutral shade. This is actually a collab with Ipsy. Color Rain products usually come in cardboard packaging, and this is like plastic, and then also it's made in the US, and this is made in China. So but the quality is the same, so that's good. And that retails for $22. And here is the bag with the tassel, blue to yellow. And here is the inside, and my Mercari will be linked down below with the link to that set. Now onto the try on. These are the colors, and these are the mattes and shimmers swatched. So I feel like I'm gonna use all the shades, so I'm taking that white cream color and putting it to my brow bone and blending it out just for like a highlight under the brow. I'm using the peachy shade as a transition. It is a lot of kick up in the pan. I'm just blending it out so when we do our crease shade, it's perfect. Now I'm taking my 25 EL brush from Farrah that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag, and I'm just taking that as my crease color and just blending it. I put the deeper brown shade on the outer corner, and now I'm taking the deeper shimmer and placing that on the outer corner is a little bit of fallout. Now I flip the brush over and I'm taking that light side. This is a dry brush, by the way, and I love these shimmers. I really do like this palette. The shades are buildable and pigmented. I like all the shades on my eyes, so I'm pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly. This is what the mascara tube looks like. This is the one, and it's very little, so you could get that. Wow, you could see a difference like right away. This might be my new favorite mascara. It's a wet formula, and I usually don't like a wet formula. It's non-clumpy, but I like a wet formula with this rubber tip little mini brush for $19. Not so bad. Anyways, the total value of this box was $182, so over the $120 mark, and it was only $25. So I'm excited. I'm happy with my box. Are you guys happy with your box? What did you guys get? Do you have Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus or even Ultimate? I don't have Ultimate. Anyways, comment down below. All my information will be down below in the description box. Have a great day. Have a great night. And bye, you guys.